Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a skillet ravioli lasagna. I mean, lasagna is definitely a labor of love, but if you want a quick fix and you don't want to heat the house up with your oven, this is the way to go. Anyway, let's get cooking.
Looks good.
All right, let's start our lasagna ravioli or ravioli lasagna. There's many names to this dish. Lazy man lasagna, it's called quick lasagna, speedy lasagna, it's all the same. It's kind of like a reconstructed lasagna. It's got all the same ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and dice up a half an onion first.
This is gonna be good.
Yeah. Okay. We'll go ahead and let that pan get hot.
Oh, it's hot. It's hot already.
Yeah. Just put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there.
Buddy, Dad. Buddy.
This is a quick dish.
Don't burn me, Jesus, man. Back up a little bit.
I'll take some garlic, chop it up. All right.
Sorry.
Garlic in there. Just want to sweat the onion.
I'm sweating just standing here. Never mind the onions. My onions are sweat.
All right. I got some sausage here.
Oh, beautiful, man.
I bought the Jimmy's Deli out in Dallas. They make excellent sausage.
Good sausage. Ready, seasoned really well. Fennel, everything. Beautiful. Perfect.
Yeah, this is the
And
mild.
there's that word again. Beautiful. Well, you know, if you love food like we do, it's a beautiful thing.
Okay, we're gonna let that cook up a bit.
Okay, beautiful. Yep.
All right, sausage is just about cooked. Now I'm just gonna put about a 1/4 cup of red wine in there. Declaze that pan. All right, sausage is cooked. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our tomatoes. I went ahead and pureed these tomatoes. These were plum tomatoes, imported of course. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add that. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and salt it. About a teaspoon of salt. And a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And then I'm going to add some of my basil. Again, break it up, get that flavor out of those leaves. Nothing like fresh basil. Alright. Now we're just going to go ahead and let this cook for about 10 minutes on medium high. Alright. Sauce has been cooking for about 10 minutes on medium heat. I'm going to go ahead and remove half of this sauce and just put it in a separate bowl right here for now.
Sausage bolognese.
It smells a little bit of the bowl. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take our ravioli, because this is raw, obviously, and frozen. You want to make sure you keep them frozen, and just go ahead and line the pan with the ravioli.
Where'd you get those from? Jimmy's, right?
Yeah, these are from Jimmy's, the Pastosa. It's a ravioli or pasta maker out of Brooklyn, New York. Great product.
Yeah.
Nope, they're cooking the sauce. Put a little bit of sauce on top of that. And by the way, this is 2 dozen ravioli. Jumbo ravioli.
There you go. No messing around.
That's right.
Dump them all in there. Let's go, man. Get hungry people in this house.
I was going to top it off with the rest of the sauce here.
That'll be good. Throw it all in there.
Yep. And then I'm going to go ahead and, I've got some chicken stock here. I'm going to go ahead and put about a half a cup of chicken stock because the ravioli got to cook. All right, all done. Now I'm going to go ahead and lower it to a lower heat between medium and low. Cover it up. What's so funny?
No, you're laughing at you, man. What did you say? A lower low?
Lower, medium low.
Medium low.
All right, good to go. Now we're gonna go and let that cook for about 15 minutes.
This is gonna be a great dish.
And then we'll be eating ravioli lasagna in 30 minutes.
Signing off.
You want to keep shaking the pot. You don't want the ravioli to stick. So every once in a while, come up to the pot and shake it up a bit. All right, ravioli's been cooking for about 15 minutes now.
Oh,
Look at that.
Good.
They swelled up real nice. They're all
busted
cooked.
out of the seams, a couple of them. But, oh man.
First thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and add more ricotta. Those are cheese ravioli, but I want to keep up the traditional lasagna and add some more ricotta to it. Let's just season it up a little bit because a little bland ricotta cheese, so you got to go ahead and add some flavor to it. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and just dollop some of this stuff on there. You don't like that word?
I can't believe you said that.
Well, that's what it's called. I'm trying to use the
a dollop?
cooking terminology.
A dollop?
Yeah, I think that's what
I
it's
think
called.
it's a dollar, not a dollop.
All the same shit. Oh man, look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, that's about 6 ounces of ricotta there. I'm gonna go ahead and add some Romano cheese to the mix. Oh, yeah. About a nice tablespoon.
Throw half a dozen eggs in there too.
And by the way, that's whole milk ricotta. I mean, I don't use that pot skim stuff. And this is whole milk mozzarella. We're gonna go ahead and it's about a pound of it. I'm gonna go ahead and just layer this cheese on top.
This is gonna be good.
Now we're gonna go ahead and cover it back up and let it cook for another 5 minutes or so.
Looking good already.
All right, check it out, brother. Nice and melted.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna take some of this Italian parsley here. Just a few leaves, just to go ahead and chop it up. Perfect. About a tablespoon. Look at that. Yeah. And let's go ahead and put the parsley on top. And now we're going to go ahead and just turn off the electric and move this over to the side. And we're going to let that set for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to cut into it.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
All right, let's check out this ravioli lasagna. Let me have your
Looks
plate,
good.
Mama. I'm going to cut it like a lasagna here. Let me have your plate, Mama. Oh, look at all that cheese. Oh,
Yeah.
too much. Never too much, Mother. Never too much. There you go. Let me have your dish, Dominic.
I'm good. I can't. I ate a lot of tripe. Let me see.
You gotta taste some of it.
Okay, that's it right there. Whatever you got on that thing,
Okay.
on the spatula.
Oh,
And whatever you just threw all over your shirt is mine. All right, that's good. I wouldn't normally eat probably half of that, but I just ate 2 huge bowls of tripe.
yeah, we did
And
2
a full.
videos today. So Dominic ate the tripe. So did Mama.
Let's check it out.
Oh man.
The raviolis are good.
Yeah.
Very good raviolis.
Let's taste it.
Good taste. Very flavorful.
Very, very
Something
good.
different.
Really good with the pork, ground up bulk Italian sausage. Nice flavor.
I mean, it's easy. I mean, if you want to spend, you know, a few hours making lasagna and cooking it, then, I mean, it's great also, don't get me wrong. But if you want a quick lasagna fix, this is it right here.
Different.
Yeah, very, very good. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next time.